an old lady who swallowed a fly guy. Why you should read it? You should read this book because it is very funny. Plus Buzz's grandma swallowed a lot of stuff just to get Fly Guy out. You should also read this book because the illustrations are cool too. What part is interesting? An interesting part is when Fly Guy flew into Buzz's grandma's mouth.